So in this today's session, we will discuss about the dashboards. Okay. So basically, why we need the dashboards. Okay. So when the user logins into system, okay, by default he will navigate to the dashboards. So this is a by default the dashboards. Okay. If you click on here, you can able to see the all the CRM out of box dashboards. Okay. So these dashboards, okay, so there is a two types of dashboards here. It's a personal and, okay, so system
I cannot
dashboard.
see your screen. Sorry. I cannot see your screen.
Okay, so
Yeah, no.
here there is a two types of dashboards we have. So that is personal and system dashboards. So the personal dashboards, which is a user can create his own. Okay, so and he can able to set this one is a by default, set as a default. Okay, so this dashboards, if we select this one like a sales dashboard and he can set default, so it will set the default this dashboard to for him. Okay, so this is a dashboard. If you click on here, you can able to create a new dashboards. Okay, here we can see the layout. Okay, so this is a layout, three column layout on this one. So just I'm selecting this one, this layout, just create it. So here we have to enter the dashboard name. Okay, so sample dashboard. Okay, so here this is a one section. Okay, so in this section you can able to add the insert the chart, you can able to insert the iframe. Okay, insert the list, that's a grid. Okay, so here we can able to insert the iframe and here we can able to insert the web resource. Okay, so for example here I am inserting the chart. Okay, so whatever the charts is available in the system, it will display here. So just I am inserting this account chart. Okay, so next here I am inserting the grid. So here grid, just I am giving the, I am selecting the contacts. Okay, so here we can able to select the which view you want to display here. So you can able to click on this one. So this one it will be here. So next we can able to select the iframe. So in the, you can, if you want, we can display some website here. Okay, so for example in the URL, just I want to display some website. Okay, so if you want, we can enter the some URL here. So we can able to select this one. Okay, so here like that we can able to, here we can able to select the web resource, whatever the JavaScript we have, like HTML pages and all. So for example if I see this, I'm putting some HTML page. Okay, so this is a HTML page, so just I'm putting here. So like that we can able to create the dashboard here. Okay, once we can save this one. Okay, so this is the dashboard we have created. So if you click on here, we can able to see the insert the iframe or increase the width or increase the decrease the height and all, we can able to see it. And here we can able to insert the charts and all. Okay, so if you want to edit the component, we can edit it. Okay, so we have selected this component, we can able to edit it. Okay, so for example, if I want to edit this component, just edit the component, the charts we can able to change it. Okay, so this is the dashboard creation. Okay, once we can save and close. Okay, so it will list out the our dashboard. So if I want to share my dashboard to the particular users, so this is a personal dashboard, right? I can able to share to some other users. So if I click on this one, so this is the same dashboard. I can share it here. So if I click on that one, it will be shared. And here, if I click on assign, so it will be assigned to the some other user. Okay. So if we see here, it is a refresh. Okay, if I set as a this one default dashboard, so it will be a, if I refresh for me, it will be a default dashboard. So whenever I am logging the system, this sample dashboard, it is a default dashboard for me. Okay, so here this is a dashboard, it will be here. So this is a web resource, it is loaded, and here it is loaded, it is web HTTP URL, whatever the URL, the iframe it is loaded. Okay, so this is a personal dashboard. For creating a system dashboards, so we have to go to the settings, customizations, solutions. So open the proper solution and see here dashboards. Okay, so if you click on a new, we can able to create the new dashboard. Same thing, whatever we did for the personal dashboard, it is the same thing here from here. So just I'm selecting this one, same thing. So same layout it will be displayed, and same things we can able to select it. So once the dashboard is created, so we can enable this dashboard for the particular security roles. Okay, and here if we select the any dashboard and if we set as a default, so it is a default dashboard for the all the users in the system. Okay, so there we set the default in the dashboards in the personal view, so that is only for the particular user it will be applicable. So if you select the dashboard here and if you click on a set default, it will be applicable for the all the users in the system. Okay, so the weekend dashboard you can enable to for the particular security roles. Okay, so that is a dashboards in the CRM.